Today we are cutting a bob, and there's nothing that gets more exciting to me because this builds the solid foundation to every single haircut from here. What we have done, there's longer variations, this is middle length, and then we'll be demonstrating later on a short length. But nonetheless, it's the same technique all the way through. We are doing pie-shaped partings. First of all, the hair is sectioned off into 4 major divisions, and our subdivisions, pie-shaped partings, 1 fingers from the neck, and there's no over direction. I'm bringing it straight down from how it naturally falls. And then I just continue to make it as precise as possible by section, cutting to the previous line, not into it and not below it. That is going into a precision, precise haircut. Precision can be repetitive, but if you get this down and you can cut a straight line on a round object and you know what you're doing and why you're doing it, you will be able to have a predictable, beautiful result in every haircut that you set out to do. And this is going into mastering the art. So it can be technical, but if you mix your technical with your practical and then you mix in creativity, this is where all the fun begins. You can create any hair design that you can possibly dream up. What we're doing here now is sectioning the back and connecting it to the front, 90-degree finger angle. If you notice, her head's in an upright position, and I'm still 1 finger's elevation from the neck. I'm following that line. And if you can see, there's previous layers. We're gonna go in and we're gonna soften and texturize those so that they're a little bit more blended. And I use the tip of my shears, and it's usually in the midsection of the hair design. Now we're connecting the right to the left, pie-shaped parting, 4 major divisions, and I'm taking a section from the right side, connecting it to the left side, and I just rinse and repeat. Each and every single section, you repeat the same thing. I like using the right side for the left as an even visual distribution of hair. You can see exactly what you did on the length on the other side if you bring them both down. This is just a technique that I like to use so that I have the haircut at the end of the day be symmetrical. Hair Metrics 360 is simply how we use our sections on the head and how we lift the hair, what the angles we use with our hands to create the masterpiece. At the end of the day, I love to put my own signature on it, and that's where going into the layers and going into the interior of the hair, you get to have more self-expression, but the foundation needs to be solid. That's what supports everything else from there. Finishing it up, we softened some of the layers and made it a little bit more seamless. So just showing you a quick little blow dry technique of bending the hair away from the head in a soft, subtle way. Hope you enjoyed it.